First place I've seen these on sale, the lattes. So $160. The first place with the Jordan 29s. I've not seen these in any other locations. But have we seen these 4s recently? The olives? I don't think we have. And they got buy one, get one free right here. Those are men's pairs for sure. So they're still out and about. We're out in Culver City. And Chic's been hooking it up. Let's go see what's up. Only problem with this spot, they don't have any sales tags. I believe everything is still 20% off. That's already on sale. They got some nice Air Max 90s right here. So 2 out of 5 of them on sale. No price tag on this one. I think this is the one that's like 80 bucks. And then you get another additional discount. It's like the best Romero deal around, I think. Man, these don't even have price tags. What are they doing here? Every shoe has price tags on them, man. What the hell? Their additional 20% off. It does end this Sunday. So I'll definitely push this video forward. So hopefully you guys are able to grab some of the deals. They do have a few of the Yeezys right here. The Quantums, the 500s. None of these bad boys on sale though, unfortunately. 350s up top. First place I've seen these on sale, the lattes. So $160. You do get that extra 20% off, so that's probably the best deal I've seen on these, other than the Nike outlets when it's on the back wall. Aluminum foils, these are going for $130. $80 for these, and then you get another 20 off. So these are 60 something dollars, 66, $64. And they're only gonna have smaller size on these. These are down to freaking $80. Holy cow. Do got the camo ones right here. I kind of do like these. Kind of do like them. Yeah, didn't grab them, but kind of do like, ooh, it has a WNBA logo. I never noticed that before. Okay. These are going for retail, which is what, $2, something like that? Not everything is priced, and they definitely don't have sales tags right here because this is like their flagship location. It's kind of annoying, but yeah, I do have these going for $150. So it's at $120 after the savings. The first place with the Jordan 29s. I've not seen these in any other locations. Yeah, I thought these were like the Zions or something. And then I was like, wait. I'm pretty sure these are the Jordan 29s right here. Does have some suede on it. Has like stitching on the side right there. Some embroidering. The plastic midsole does come up a little further. Try to give it a little more stability. We have the Jordan 29s right here. These are the Jordan 29s, $2. So they think they've gone up a little bit. No, the 38s went up to $2, so same price as the last model right here. Jordan 29s, first time we've seen them, $200. Pretty dope Jordan display right here. Have we seen these? Have we seen this? This area is totally backlit, so it's like really tough. But have we seen these 4s recently? The olives? I don't think we have. Definitely don't think we have, and they still have them here. They're not on sale, but the fact that you get it for retail, pretty dope. Still got the 5s here with the 3M on them. And they got 1s. Plenty of 1s. Are these on sale though? Yeah, these have to be on sale, right? Yeah, no price tag. These might be on sale. No, not yet. Jordan 1 Low OG, the shadows right here. Kind of wish I found those at the outlets. I don't think I did, but yeah, under $100 for these. And the black and white's also on sale. Okay. See what's going on with this Pro Image. Got a nice little sale section right here. I was like, what jersey is this? Lakers jersey right here. Mitchell and Ness shorts right here going for $40. These are only $100. Kind of crazy. Kids Waller jersey right here. Lakers shorts all going for $40. All the shorts are Mitchell and Ness shorts too. Some Wilson jerseys. Trying to get rid of these for sure. Dodgers shorts right here going for $40. More kids Wallace jersey. I don't know who this is. I don't know who that is. But yeah, triple XL going for $40. This Clipper shorts pretty dope. And they got hats up top all going for $20. Old school Broncos logo right there. Dude got Chicago Bulls. Got all kinds of hats. These are fitted hats. Fitted Brewers hats. Got Cubs right here. Lakers fitted hats. Okay. Magic fitted hat right there. Montreal Expos. And they got buy one, get one free right here. Don't really see that too often. Do got the Shaq jersey. I think I have this one, right? I think I do. Why am I asking you guys, right? What the hell? Lamar Odoms right here. Damn, these are all buy one, get one free. Pretty freaking fire. Eddie Jones. I didn't even know they released these recently. Holy cow, I think these are what, 130? Yeah, 135, but they are buy one, get one. So that comes out to what, $67.50. Pretty solid price. Got more Shaq jerseys right here. Got tons of them, tons of sizes. Double XL. Also got some more right here. So they're trying to get rid of these Shaq jerseys. I think they might make it to the $40 rack eventually. Then of course they do have tons and tons of other stuff right here. Got a really good selection of Lakers jerseys. Got Chris Webber right there. Dodgers. We got tons of hats. Tons of stuff, you guys. Got one of these here. First of all, they don't have any music. And then second of all, look. They still got the fours here. They still got the fours. That's kind of crazy. So they got them on display, but not on the Jordan wall? I don't know. I'm kind of confused. They do have the latest Jordan 1 Low OGs right here. These are the Barons. And I am a fan of these. I really like them. Okay, all right. My kid kind of likes them. I was thinking this is a good pair for him because you can kind of wear this with anything. And these are up to 160 now. Dang. Oh, okay, that's a Jordan 2-3. Never mind. I think these are 140. Got Vomeros down to 100, 120, 115. Those are 115 as well. But I think most of these have been under 100 at Chic with their 20% off sale. We got another one right here as well. 90-60s right here. These new colorways, I don't think I've seen this one. I definitely have not seen this one. This one is wild. Colors definitely pop. 160, right? 160 for these. Also, these primarily blue ones right here. They got a lot of going on. 150 for these. Okay. More of the classic colorways that we've seen plenty of. But yeah, these will match with anything. And people have been talking about how comfortable these are. These are the 90-60s and they're 150. They are showing them in the kids section right here. So I guess they're grade school. I guess they're just grade school. That's all they got left. I've said it a few times. It's tough to go into Foot Locker now after going to the Foot Locker outlet, finding crazy stuff there. Those are men's pairs for sure. So they are still out and about if you missed them, because I did see people at some of the malls where they were looking for the fours. Those were men's for sure, and they still don't have them out and about here though. But those were men's for sure. Those are like a size 11 or something. I think this is the first time we've ever seen these on sale, the Jordan 9s. It's only $20 off, but at least that is a start. Which is weird because I don't remember seeing these at too many spots. Interesting that the 7s are not on sale. The infrared white 7s, I thought those would be on sale, but we are starting to see a little bit of sales on the 6s right here, the 5s. These are normally $225, so nice seeing Jordans on sale. Not crazy sales yet, but at least the prices are going down. And then these, we just saw these for what, $30 cheaper at Chic. What do you guys think about these Tatum 2s? I'm not into denim, so yeah, I'm not a big fan of that one, but yeah, this material is a little bit better, but the color, a little too out there for me. A little too out there. But the silhouette looks pretty dope. 120 for the Tatum 2s. We've been seeing these at the clearance store for $100. We've seen some of these. I think we saw this one for what, 60 at some of the outlets after the 40% off, and it's wild seeing them all go for regular price here. That's crazy. And then we have been seeing Dunks on sale. There are going to be a bunch of Dunks on sale right after the back to school sale is over. But I feel like we haven't really seen that many back to school sales. I've been to the malls and I don't know, I haven't seen that many sales. Like we see sales on stuff where like things aren't moving like this and this, but I don't know, I feel like we haven't seen any sales per se, like 30% off entire store or something. Chic's had their 20% off or 20 additional percent off the clearance items or items on sale. These ain't bad. These Dunk highs right here, These look like a retro, because yeah, these are retro, because I was like the leather just feels super nice. 135 for these. Forgot I like that gun bottom as well. And then got these right here. Giving a shout out to his brother. But yeah, these, I don't know, the Zoom freaks just haven't been moving. People don't seem too into them. They do have that Kobe 5 silhouette, Kobe 6 like shape. Kind of like the Sabrinas and LeBrons, all that stuff. But the Zoom freaks just have not been moving. You guys fans of 574s like myself? The homie George, my boy George, is a big fan of these because he just recently bought them. But we are starting to see prices go down and down. This one, I think, slightly different color. Yeah, slightly different color. 70 for those. 60 for this one right here. Has like a, what kind of material is that? A super soft material. Go for $60. These are normally, what, 90? We've also been seeing these on sale at the New Balance outlet. $60 for this one right here as well. 2002 Rs. Just be patient with all this stuff. Everything's been going down, dude. Everything's been going down, so plenty of time to buy. And the material on these are so nice, dude. Also use different material to make them. Yeah, I'm a fan of these 2002 Rs, man. I know a lot of people have been hyping these up. Oh, this is a 1906. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Always gotta check the board shops nowadays. Do have a little sales record here. Look at this. SB shirts. These are hella thick. And yeah, 25 bucks, dude. 25 bucks. They have a small right here. Of course, they have plenty of other skate shirts right here. Ooh, SB shirt right here. This is a loose fit, extra small. Just 30, but it is on sale. That would match the 4s, the SB 4s. It's a thinner t-shirt right here. It says 30. Okay, but it's down to 20. More Nike SB shirt right here. $30, normally $45. They have a few of them. $25 for this Nike SB shirt. You guys are in the SB gear. They got them here. They got them. They have racks and racks and racks of clothing on sale right now. They have different sizes for all the SB stuff. They have other brand stuff here as well. Huff brand right here, 75. Carhartt hoodie right here. Carhartt always makes really nice stuff. $40, normally $60. Anti-hero skateboard jacket right here. I don't know the price though. I have a bunch of Nijas and stuff like that on sale. $50 for a lot of this stuff right here. Janowski's. These are the Grant. Are these the Taylors? No, the Bruins right here going for $50 as well. They got various sizes. Sizes are definitely gonna be an issue though. But yeah, I do have the Blazer Grant Taylors right here. They got stuff. They got stuff. In terms of the Dunk SBs, this is all they have. This is the only sizes they have. Only a few different sizes. I think we got a couple more stores. They do have a couple colorways of the LaFrance shoes. What do you think about these? Not really? Alright, I guess not. Guess not with what either of these. He's not a fan. These are what, 110? I was thinking, I was like, maybe he might like those, but got the Mellows right here. 80 for most. This is a new colorway I've never seen before. Oh, Weatherman. It's like a Weatherman colorway. Isn't that what it is? That's kind of interesting. Okay, they taking everything from Nike, huh? Got a couple of the wilder colorways right there. And then that, I like this one. I think this is one of my favorite ones. $80 for this colorway right here. I can't believe they used to have these at the Foot Locker outlet. 50% off, $40 there. But even 40 is not bad. Like, these look alright. Band's been coming out with these Lowlands and $90 for these Lowlands. I remember when the retail was 60 on these. 90 is insane. I do like the look. Clean look. Just very simple. A nice little Vans logo on it. But yeah, $90. A little steep. Oh wait, they got a little $5 section right here. Look at this. $5 for 3 pair of socks. That's pretty nice. It is Champ Sports Gear, but this is kind of like the lower end stuff. They have like performance socks, which are really nice. And these are just thin. They're thin, but 3 for $5. That's not bad. Not bad. All these are 2 for $5. Hella thick though, hella thick. They also have stand socks for $5. These are normally what, 10 or 20? Normally 20. They're down to freaking $5. Not too shabby. And at the table, they do have some already dirty Converse right here, size 7.5, 8, going for $40. And they got some pretty cool Crocs right here. I think these are going for 40 as well, still too much. And they have Pro Standard jackets, 50% off, so that's not bad. $250, so $125 for those. I think this is the exact same price, yeah. Same price for those. They got a White Sox jacket. This is a Nike, normally $220, going for $50 off. They got Pro Standard hoodies. Of course, this is gonna remind all of us of the Tony Montana stuff right there. But yeah, man, they got stuff here. They got stuff for 50% off. Not too bad. Lakers hoodies right here, $60 down from $120. So they got a few things. They got a few things here. Going for 50% off. I would like 70% off, but 50% off ain't too bad. $160 for these. Gonna be going to a water park this weekend. I was like, damn, I should have bought these for $20. They had them at for 20 at the outlet, the Champs outlet. Dang it. But not seeing any 70% off racks today, dang it. They have a ton of resale shops here. They got 3 different resale shops. And who has money to buy resale right now? Hey, this is what I'm talking about. This was the 3rd one, and I guess there's only 2 now, because I don't know who's been buying stuff like that. Like, fools ain't got money like that right now, do they? Not surprised at all. And then I did check lids. Their semi-annual clearance sale is done, so I didn't find any steals we're showing you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the like button and do all that good stuff. And we out, man. We out. It's Monday, so Mondays are my hoop days. We play outdoors, and I'll leave these right here because these are my emergency, just in case I need a hoop and I don't have any shoes on me. But people have been asking what I do wear. I've been wearing these because we've been playing outdoors, so I don't need anything super premium. These have been chilling for a while. These are the Why Not 0.1, the original Why Not. These are the Chaos versions. The first ones, like, they were all covered up and stuff, but these are the Chaos, so you can actually see the exposed laces. Like I said, been playing outdoors. I think we got like an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 20 minutes till the sun goes down. All right, let's go. Nah, y'all ain't seen nothing, man. I suck, dude. I suck, and I'm out of shape. See y'all.